Hello friends, today we will discuss about ton of refrigeration. Please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. What is ton of refrigeration? Ton of refrigeration, generally termed as TR, is a cooling terminology which is usually expressed in refrigeration system. Let's see. 1 ton of refrigeration is the heat transfer rate required to melt 1 ton of ice at 0 degree in 24 hours. For clear understanding, let's see the image. This is the 1 ton of ice. It is nothing but melting of 1 ton of ice at 0 degree centigrade in 24 hours. Whatever the energy utilized for melting the ice is nothing but 1 ton of refrigeration. 1 ton is almost equal to 907 kgs. Let us see the units of TR. For calculating the TR, it is important that we need to know what is latent heat of ice. The value of latent heat is 334 kilojoule per kg. The 1 ton of ice, as I told you, it is 907 kg. Let's calculate TR. 1 TR is equal to 907, that is kgs, into 334, that is latent heat, 334. It is per day, means per 24 hours. That is equal to 302938 kilojoule per day or 24 hours. Then that is equal to 3.517 kilojoules per second. If you convert it into watt, it is equal to 3.517 kilowatt. Let us see the same units of TR in FPS system. The latent heat of ice is 144 BTU per pound. What is BTU? It is a British thermal unit. Okay. The 1 ton of ice is equal to 2000 pounds. Then 1 TR is equal to 2000 into 144. That comes to 200 BTU. That is 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 200 BTU in FPS system. 1 ton of refrigeration in SI system is equal to 3.517 kilowatt. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.